What's up, fellas? Welcome back to everybody's favorite series, hosted by everybody's favorite host. I'm joking, guys, but woof, what a week for me personally, and what a month for the stock market, man. I'm feeling like Trump again, I gotta be honest, guys. But in all seriousness, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, this is a series where I go over my portfolio, update my updated thoughts on the market, show my dividends, buys, sells, all that good stuff. At the end of the video, I'll do a little life update. I just turned 17, so I'll kind of give up. I'll show my current mental state and what's been going on with me recently. If you want to stay around for that. And of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications. It would mean a lot. It's my birthday present, so to say. But again, thank you. Of course, join the Discord link in the description. Smash the like button, and of course, roll the intro.
Hello, I like money.
This month we had a lot more growth than I initially thought because I haven't bought anything in about like a month. I did most of my transactions at the beginning of the month and I was short on capital this month and was kind of waiting for that birthday money to come in to splurge on something. But we actually had a really good month despite the lack of capital. I'll show you guys in my buys and sells what I did to kind of move this money around, and I'll show my thoughts on the transaction itself. But we increased our annual dividend income from $406.46 to $424.78. That's about $18. That's really good, I think. For, as you guys will see, I didn't have a lot of room to wiggle with this month. My investments that pay dividends has gone down this month from 28 out of 31 positions to 27 out of 30. You'll have to stick around to see what I sold out of. And my estimated yield for my stocks has gone from 3.2% to 3.08%, which is alright to see. And my estimated monthly income went up by about $2 as well. Alright, we'll start off the buys and sells with a banger. We sold out of my stag position, the entire position. I sold it at a 30% loss, and I got $88 of capital in return, plus the dividends I got for about the 2 years that I owned it. Stag has not had the best dividend growth, and I don't think I bought at the best time, so I'm blaming myself on that one. I'll learn from my mistake. It's not a huge loss in the long run. I used that Stag money and bought 3 shares of Vici at $31.03. Vici is one of my favorite dividend REITs. With this transaction, I'm getting better dividend growth, better growth potential with capital returns as well. I'm getting a higher quality REIT in my opinion as well. Vici also doesn't dip a while, so I really wanted to take opportunity of this dip they had. They also trade at similar yields, so I'd rather go with the better, higher quality stock where I can get more dividend growth. Dividend growth has been something that I've been really focusing on in my portfolio in the last few months. Then I bought 2 shares of Realty Income at $59.06, which is an amazing price I think I got for the company. Right now, Realty Income is sitting at my cost per share basis, so I think I might be adding some more to Realty Income. When you can get that high quality of a REIT on discount, I'm all in for it. Also, I think it's nice that they pay monthly. This was one of my first videos I made was, if monthly dividends were actually, they compound faster. They do a little bit, but I would still invest in Realty Income even if they paid quarterly or annually. And lastly, for this month, I bought 2 shares of Altria at $43.01. I saw Altria increase their dividend, and I think that's just crazy during this crazy time that they're still increasing their dividend and it's sustainable. So that really enticed me to, look more into, PE and valuation. And I just saw Altria as a good buy at the moment. And I'm getting a great yield and great dividend growth as well. Now, October is one of those months where it's really dull for dividends, which honestly kind of sucks a bit for me, but it's also nice to see. I used to be getting $8 a month in, October, these dividend months, I guess you could say. But over time, we're just trying to grow that payout. So to go over my October dividends, to start the month off, we got a whopping 31 cents from Nike, and getting crazy reinvested capital on that. Then we got $5.01 from Coke, which is actually pretty decent. $1.63 from Vici, $7.88 from Altria, which carried the month for me. $2.33 from Realty Income, and of course my 38 cents from Stag, which will be the last time I'll ever be saying that on this channel. Overall, a pretty dull month, but November should be a good month, and then December is going to be a crazy month. And that's it for the dividends I got in October. Now to go over my updated thoughts on the market and what I'm going to do kind of going into November. Right now, I'm limited on capital, so I'm judging whether I'm buying based on my SCHD price index marker. Personally, if I see SCHD is below like $70, that's when I'm going to be looking into the bite of the market. I have specific prices for some stocks that I'm targeting right now. Everything's kind of gone up recently, but I feel that we could be going into a downturn again. We had a good day today. Right now it's Friday, recording this video. Right now, the big one that isn't really going up and is kind of staying a little flat and going up a little is Microsoft. Join the Discord. I post all my buys live there. But again, I think it's nice that my dividends can just automatically reinvest themselves during these times, even when market's high, market's low. I am also going to try to be redeploying some capital. I'm going to be looking at stocks and seeing, comparing dividend growth rates, dividend yields, payout ratios, etc. Seeing if I can move, slower opportunities and faster growing opportunities. And that's it for the stock portfolio update. Now it's for the life update. So I just turned 17, which is kind of crazy that I'm like 1 year away from being in adulthood. As for college, I think I'm probably gonna go. I know the peer pressure is kind of eating into me, but I do think it would be kind of nice to. It's not like I'm paying for, a lot of it. I'm fortunate enough to be in the situation where I could have my parents pay for a majority of it, and then, right now I'm kind of just doing my thing with athletics. I'm going to the gym 5 days a week. I've been on a crazy grind, but as of recently, I just broke my ankle. I was playing football with my buddies, had a crazy Dak Prescott like injury. Played on it for another 20 minutes and re-aggravated it. So not good times. Obviously, I got to keep things in perspective. It could have been a lot worse. There's people with much worse conditions if I'm being blunt. So trying to take it day by day, get the recovery all good. Try to keep a positive mindset while you're at it. And I went to the gym today. Felt pretty good. I can walk on it kind of. I'm in a big boot, so it's interesting. I like to go back on these, portfolio updates and kind of see where I am at the time. So hopefully in like a year or two, I can kind of look back at this and yeah, lots of ups, lots of downs for me currently at the moment over the last month. It's been weird. But gym's been clutch for me. Investing has been clutch. What can I say? Thank you for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and of course, do dividend stocks, not drugs. Have a good day.